Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you use Deepseek on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So in the first, we will go here to talk about uh, how can you send a message to Deepseek. So here can you send a message like this? When you add your message, click on this sign here. So then it's gone like you see here, it's going to answer with you like you see here. Here in this sign, when you just click on it here, can you send documents and image here or photo here, or can you take a photo? So in here in this sign in up, when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to new shots like you see. It's going to take you to new shots here when you click on this sign. Then when you click on this sign here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. You will find here your history, and when you just click here on your name, it's going to take you to this list. Here can you connect with another account. So and here can you find here you check your new updates. Here can you change color of app. Here you will find light mode and dark mode here, or add it to system. So when you down, just click on down here. Here can you change language, just click on it, and here can you find a lot of languages, can you change it. I'm going to add for example system here, click on done, then it's going to change with you here. So and here can you connect with support, and here can you log out, and here can you delete all chats. Here just click on delete all chats, you click here on confirm deletion, it's going to delete with you like you say. Here can you delete account, just click on it. When you click here on delete, then it's going to delete your account. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.